I'm gonna show you how to set up the self-destructive message. To turn it off and on is extremely easy. Now if it is on, so whatever you write on the screen, okay, I'll show it to you in a second. It will just go through, and then if I just check the one here, you could see those messages I just wrote on the screen. I'm using the WhatsApp desktop, so, and if I put it on, as you could see here, it will be the blue, and put it off and on. So now test, so whatever you write now on the screen, I will show it to you in a second. So how just like a matter of few seconds before it get deleted, as you could see here, this message was deleted automatically. Okay, so once the person reads the message, it will get deleted. So I'm gonna just do another test. If I'm just writing just any random messages on the mobile. If the window is not open, it won't get deleted even if the time has passed. But the second I click on the message to read them on the desktop, WhatsApp desktop, it will get deleted in a few instant. Okay, so it's really good, and it's good to try it. There is another option which is self-destructive, but it takes you could set it automatically for 7 days. You can set it automatically for 7 days, so it's better to try it. But this is self-destructive. As soon as the person reads a message, it's just gone. It's completely gone.